my things like my Mother's Day category, for example, in bulk upload. If I'm only adding small amounts of products to my website, I will often just have 2 tabs open. I'll have one for my website, I'd add it on there, and then I'd copy and paste the relevant information on my Digital Florists products there, because if it's only 1 or 2, that's the quickest way of doing it. However, and there are videos for that. However, if I am doing a big collection of products, then it is quicker to do it in bulk upload. So I add all my products to my website, and then once I've added them to my website, I extract them in bulk from the back of my website. I do have to clean up this data. So for example, it pulls out every single product from the back of my website, and I don't want that. I only want the ones that are sitting in the Mother's Day category. So I have to filter it down and delete everything that's not part of my Mother's Day category. Obviously different websites are different, and some you can't extract from, but the best way I can help you with that is if you can't work out, if you extract it and can't work out how you find the categories, book a call in with me and we'll have a look at it together. Because I've done it for a few different websites, I might be able to help you where it is. But this then is my cleaned up website data. So I have taken out anything that's not relevant, and I've just kept the information that I need to put on Digital Florists. So I will show you now, and these will then create a load of new products on there, all in the category of Mother's Day. So if I first of all show you what we'd have to do to get the headings, similar to the last video, if you did watch it about the cut flowers, I would come over here. First thing I would do, I would go to products, options, import products, download CSV. I would take, I want to open that in Excel. Let's go back to here. 95, open with Excel. You don't have to open Excel, I just prefer working with it. That then extracts all of the products that are on the order management system. Now what I'm going to do here is I am going to delete everything bar line 1, because I just want to be able to have an example of the lines I need to fill in. I'm going to delete that. I'll just highlight that one because I'm going to delete it later. So we're specifically dealing with non-barcoded products at the moment. So all I would do here is I wouldn't need to worry about those because the system will generate that. I would need to put something in product code because it actually won't put it up without a product code. So I'm going to go back and find my cleaned up sheet. I'm going to get the product code that the website delivers. Sorry, I'm not opening that. The website delivers. Where am I? I need to go back to that sheet. We find it. There we go. Lovely. There we are. So I've got my 2 sheets there. I am going to put all the product codes there. The category is going to be Mother's Day 2025. The product name, again, I will get that from a sheet. The variant name, we'll come back to that afterwards. Designer, we have the different staff make the different products so that so what we put in there is the name of the person who's made the product. I won't do it for the purpose of this, but then that means that we can track whose products are selling the best. So it's just a nice little thing you can do if you want to. Description, what we put in there is we put the menu. So that tells us, so when we look at it on the dashboard, we can see exactly what what products we're supposed to put, what stems we're supposed to be putting in there. Tax rate ID will be whatever your tax rate ID is, that'll be the same throughout. Price, there we go, there's our new prices, copy that over. Stock, I will show you stock in a different video, but if I had my stock quantities at that point, I'd probably just upload them at that point. Occasions, I won't put anything because I'll just add it to all. No age verification needed. Attachment, no. Visible, yes. Deleted, no. Right, so now once I've got all that relevant data in, all I'm going to need to do here is I want to copy the category all the way through. I then am going to want to, I haven't done the product name. Let's go and get them all. Control C. Put my product name all the way through. Looks better, doesn't it? Variant we're not going to do, designer we're not going to do for the purpose of this. Description, which is where our menu goes in. Tax rate, we're going to want that the same all the way through. And these ones, we're going to want them the same all the way through. Like that. The attachment, it would be to do with images. I'll show you how you can upload these individually. You can do them in bulk as well, depending on where they're hosted. So I will do that as part of a separate video. So there you go. That is all I need to create new products on the Digital Florists, with it all going in one category, which for this is Mother's Day. Now, if you have categories on your website, no, I won't go there now. Let's just upload that. So I'm going to save that, and we go into here. We go options, import products. Now I'm going to find that CSV file that I've just filled in, and I'm going to click import. The Mother's Day category doesn't exist yet. However, now that I've done that, it now will have created it. So I'm going to hit import again, and then it's recognizing that they're all new products. It's recognizing that they've got product code and a product name. So I'm going to import them like that, and it says it's imported successfully. Now I can go and have a look and see what that looks like when I go and add products. So if I come over here and I'm going to go and add a product, I've now got a Mother's Day category. It's got all the names and the prices, and if I click on there, it shows my information about what's in it, and all that information is there. So, and when you sell them on the website or on the till, because it will be showing in your point of sale now as well. You can always switch off your point of sale if you don't want it there. Just reset product cache because we've updated the point of sale. There you go. There's now Mother's Day 2025, and they're all there. You don't have to click into them to sell. Remember, it is a master search, so you can just do that to find the product you're wanting to sell. And that is how I would upload my Mother's Day products off the back of my website for new products.